Welcome back to Kodemine. Carry here. So today we will see how we can redirect our page from one URL to another URL. So how can we do in Laravel 7? We will see that. For example, I want to create a new action or a new view into my Laravel 7 application. For example, I name it URL as a redirect. Simple. In here I am giving a test action. So in this text action I am going here, and in the function I am giving test as we have done in previous video. Then I will return a simple string. Hi, insert testing page. So here I will try to reload redirect, and you guys can see now we are reloading a simple text action here. So for example, I want to redirect from test to home action, right? How can I do that? Just I will comment this. I will use a function which is name is redirect. I will return that, return redirect, and that URL which I have mentioned in web to go in the home action. So I will mention this here. So automatically whenever I put the URL redirect, automatically it will redirect to this URL. So we will see that. Now I am reloading this page. Let's see what happened. You guys can see now automatically the page has been redirecting to a different URL. Yeah, so our one topic is clear. So the redirect is a function which we use to redirect from one view to another view. We can use this method in our controller or in routes as well, right? So hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys have any doubt, have any question, please comment into the comment box. We will reach you personally, and please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.